Hey everyone, it's Purple Gaming here, and today I'm gonna play some quick draw. So I'm gonna show you how it goes into mobile. All you need is to Chrome right here, press it, and then open the quick draw game. Okay, I'm gonna get. Okay, you are in the Google, right? When you're on the Chrome, you do search Google like that, and then when you go to the Google search quick draw, quickdraw.com, and then wait until it just like this. Wait, let me see if it's this. No, it's not this. So don't press the quickdraw.com. It says quick draw. Okay. Then it says you are on the quick draw. But I'm gonna home it right now. You see, I have a quick draw here. So press let's draw. I have no music on it, but we need to fix this. Yeah. So we're gonna try this. I'm not good at draw. Okay. So I don't know. So guys. Oh. So guys, I hope you like it. Subscribe, but I'm not done, so we gotta play quick draw first. Need to be nope. I don't want hurricane anymore. A B. So when you're done this, will they? If you got 6 words, you will win. That's a good bit. I very like it. What? Okay, times it. Stereo is like a radio. I'm gonna make a radio. Yep, so boomerang. Okay. Okay. Bathtub like that. There's a man over here and a hand here. Yup. Need an elephant. Okay. And then here. And then here. Okay. Yep. Nowhere to go. A drawing. I don't know what. South. Never mind. Am I right? Writing the compass. Oh, did it guess the B? So you can press the B and then it says example of the B's. Yes, like that. So just like a building B. So let's play another. You said in the bottom you see a play again. Let me take a bit the compass. Okay. Well, my west and east. Yep. never mind. Got wrong. A pond. Water here. And then a leaf here. With a tree here. Can you guess it? Okay, nice. Oh no. It's a pond. It's a pond. Yep. He couldn't guess it. Rainbow. Nope, not so squeegee. Okay, I'm gonna sneeze, I think. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my god. Yep, you guess it. Sorry. Okay, this was the easy ones. Nope, the grass. Okay. A cloud. Not good at drawing us. Then sun over here. A map. Okay, we need a square. I want to draw a square. And then X here and then straight over there. Yep, he gets it. A fan. Not a street light. It's a van. Okay. How what do you get? 605. Oh, it's 5. Okay. Let's do it again. A leg. I don't know how to do. Oh, this looks a hand. And then arrow here. What? Here, like a fried chicken leg. Oh. What is the stat? What? Okay, let me quit it. I think I got this. Yep, it sounds very good. A bush. I forgot what is the bush. Bush. Oh. There's yes. It's a bush. A broom. Okay. We can do it. But it's not look like a broom. It's like a mop thing. What the heck? It's a broom. Oh my god. Come on, quick. Oh no, oh no. It's a freaking broom. Oh, I think we got this. Looks like a princess living in the castle. And then the door out here. Gotta make it closed. Yep, he knows. Binoculars. Okay. Like this. This. Okay. How do we draw binoculars? That? I don't know. Oh, he gets it. It's so bush again. And then a flower down here. And then watering can. Come on. Oh no, he didn't know what is the garden is. It's a garden. Nope, that's all. Wait. Let me see the binoculars one. Oh, it's like that. Oh, should have done. Wow. This one looks a short. But that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching for my video. Please subscribe. And then goodbye. Wait, let me play this game.